In a digital era, where knowledge becomes currency, let's delve into the realm of online tutoring. Imagine a world where you can earn right from the comfort of your home, sharing what you know best. Enter online tutoring, a fusion of passion, technology, and income. Why choose online tutoring? Let's explore the benefits. Firstly, the flexibility. Decide when you teach, how you teach, and whom you teach. Then comes the potential to earn. No classroom limits. Your reach is global. Furthermore, it's an opportunity to build your personal brand. Be recognized, be sought after. So, ready to embark on this journey? Let's start with the basics. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? Math, literature, coding? Next, select the right platform. Numerous platforms await with students ready to learn. Creating an attractive profile is your virtual handshake. Make it count. Highlight your qualifications. Every degree, every certificate matters. Pricing can be tricky. Research is key. Don't undervalue yourself. Earning trust in the virtual world can be challenging, but testimonials are your allies. Offer sample lessons or freebies. Let students experience your teaching style. Interactive content is the future. Engage, challenge, and stimulate your students. Stay updated. The world evolves, and so should your content. Promotion isn't just online. Talk, network, spread the word offline too. Social media isn't just for fun. Use it strategically to promote your sessions. Remember, teaching is more about listening than speaking. Engage in two-way communication. Embrace technology. Use tools and software to enhance your sessions. Feedback isn't criticism, it's an opportunity. Grow, evolve, improve. You might come across challenging students. Patience and empathy go a long way. Share success stories. Nothing speaks louder than results. Continuous learning is key. Attend workshops, courses, and seminars. Collaborate. Connect with other tutors. There's so much to learn and share. Offer group classes. They're economical for students and beneficial for you. Consider different time zones. It can maximize your availability. Always have a plan B. Technical glitches happen. Be prepared. Customize. Every student is unique. Tailor your approach. Visual aids can be powerful. Use graphs, charts, and animations. Quizzes aren't just for assessment. They're for engagement. Make them fun. Be proactive. Reach out to students, ask about their progress. Offer packages. For instance, 10 lessons at the price of 8. Stay organized. Track your schedules. Students and payments. Be approachable. Let students know they can reach out anytime. Regular breaks are essential. They recharge you, making teaching more effective. Always have an outline for your session. Structure aids understanding. Rewards can be motivating. Offer them for consistent performance. Use real-life examples. They make concepts relatable and easy to grasp. Remember, it's not about how much you know, but how well you can convey it. Build a community. Connect students. Let them learn from each other. Diversify. Offer courses, webinars, or even write a book. Feedback, again. Regularly ask students what they want more of. Be authentic. It's your biggest asset. Lastly, enjoy the process. Your enthusiasm will be contagious. Online tutoring isn't just a job. It's a journey, an experience, a growth story. To all aspiring online tutors out there, the digital classroom awaits you. Turn your knowledge into empowerment, one lesson at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights.